In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink an image here in Canva. So I have this just here, and we're going to hyperlink this image. Now this, in fact, is in a Canva frame, but you can still do an image, you can still hyperlink an image which is in a Canva frame. Now all we have to do is simply click onto the image, just like this. We're going to come to the three dots, then we're going to scroll down to where we see link just here. Now, if we click on here, we want to put the destination of the URL just here. Now, for this example, I'm going to put my YouTube channel. Then all we have to do is click Done. Now, we know this is hyperlinked because if we now click onto the image, we're going to see that link just here. Now, if we want to edit this, we can click onto the little pen icon, and then we can re-link this to whatever we want. If we want to delete this, all we have to do is simply click on remove, and then that link has been removed. So as you can see, that's how to hyperlink an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.